Hi, I'm Chris, founder of MetaSignal Pro. In the next minutes, we'll see how PowerZone can enhance your trading experience dramatically and secure your trading routine. Just click on Price tab, select in the indicator window PowerZone, and you get instantly access to two valuable insights by default: the zones and of course the take profit levels. Now, here's the first innovation that we bring to the support and resistance concept. It's the PowerZone strength. By giving you access to the number of times these zones have been touched. If we go in the configuration panel, we get access to this PowerZone touch tab that allows you to select the strength of the zone you want to see. Here, I want to increase the strength of the zone I want to visualize. And here it goes, simple as that. With the PowerZone density, you have control over the granularity of this zone, the visual density that you will get. That is just critical information because it defines how hard and strategic the level is. In terms of probability, it tells you the probable move of the price. It will attract them like a magnet. Now, our second feature is to give you in real time take profit levels. PowerZone displays in real time the distance between current price and the different take profit, both in points and absolute value, that you can find on the scale. No need anymore for digital rulers or being approximate. You just have the figure and can use it to enter the market or in a planified trade. But most importantly, this feature will allow you to know immediately what is the risk-reward ratio of your trade you're planning. By checking visually the distance between your stop loss and your target, if it's inferior to 1, you're on the wrong side of the risk, obviously, because you're risking more than what you can rationally expect from the price move. So just don't take this trade. This is how PowerZone will help you to have a safe routine. But what you might want to do is not to place your take profit order right on the edge of the area, but maybe a little under or just a little above. Well, you can do this with the TP to PZ variable. PowerZone will automatically give you the result in points and value in real time. This is especially useful if you enter at market. Lastly, we have the PowerZone distance tab, which lets you set the minimum distance between two zones, so you can increase the distance between your take profits. And don't forget to adjust the history max to suit your chart historical data. By the way, you can decide not to show the TPs on your chart by just unchecking this box. Now, let's put PowerZone to work with a practical example on the market. Before we get into this, remember that every trade plan should first start with a multi-time frame trend reversal analysis. This is why we have created for ourselves first Trend Decoder and Blade Scalper. It will help you simplify this very important routine. We call it the Meta method. So check it in our shop and in the links below. Here you can see how precise and relevant PowerZone have given us the key support and resistance level and how it calculates take profit distance and optimize our trade. If we apply our other indicators to take a decision on the spot, we can see that here, for example, we could have a relevant trade to take. That's it for now. I really think PowerZone is a powerful tool that can elevate your trading strategy as it did to mine. Combined with other advanced tools like Trend Decoder, Blade Scalper, and Trade Manager, you will see how dramatically you will improve your risk management and how to secure your profit more efficiently. But don't believe me on words, just take a daily license to test our products and contact our team for more information if need be. Thank you for watching and trade safely.